Her job is to make the machines of industry come alive. The field of mechatronics, robotics, and automation is one of the most high-demand trades powering modern industry, and it needs people who can think fast, fix faster, and keep production moving. Industry is looking for problem solvers, technicians, and system-level thinkers who know how to keep the lines running. We're talking about six-figure salaries in industrial maintenance, biomedical equipment, aerospace, and a host of other lucrative sectors. At Gadsden State, you'll get hands-on, real-world training in the language of modern industry, including motor controls, automation, robotics, programmable logic controls, hydraulics, pneumatics. When you graduate, you'll be ready to walk into a high-wage, high-demand job. With training in mechatronics, robotics, and automation, you won't watch the future happen. You'll be the one building it.